Hello guys, in this video I am talking about the Jetpack Compose component. The components are the Jetpack Compose composable. Now discuss about the composable category wise. Now we can categorize the composable. So first we can categorize as layout component. So first is box composable and box layout. So box stack they are composable on top of each other. And second composable, column composable. So we can align our components vertically and use the row composable. We can align our component horizontally and lazy columns and row column. This is for optimize vertically scrolling list and row lazy row is for horizontally. And next is constraint layout. This is the flexible layout using constraint layout. And Scaffold provide base layout structure for material design. And next is our some basic component. So that are UI element. First is text. This used for displaying text, image, displaying for image and rendering image. Button, a clickable, handle a clickable event, like a button. And next is a icon button, a clickable button with icons. Floating action bar, a circular button for primary action. Checkbox for a boolean selection. Radio button for single choice selection. Switch for toggle control between two states. And next is a slider. Select value by sliding. And next is a input component. Suppose we need to input any text, so use the text field for text input. For displaying text, use only text composable, and taking input, use text field. And outline text field, a style text field, input field. And search bar, search input field. And next is a list type and a grid components. So which behavior like list or grid. So use the for displaying list, lazy columns for vertical list and lazy row for horizontal list. And for a grid control, use the lazy vertical grid. And next is a navigation. So our navigation composable is nav host, and nav host hosts the screen for navigation bar, and nav controller manage navigation action. And next is containers. So we have a card container in Jetpack Compose. So card provide a material design card, a surface, a container with styling properties, and a divider creates then horizontal or vertical lines. If you found video is helpful, then subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching this video.